Hey everyone, so today we're going to be working on this WRX STI. We're going to be taking off the hood scoop in preparation for paint, just to restore it back to its original condition. So I'll show you how to do that today. So we're going to be pulling off all of these plastic clips all around here, taking off this shield. That will allow us access to the back of these. If you don't want this hood scoop is quite loose as it is. Shouldn't be this loose, so it has to be addressed, but to do it properly. So if I wanted to, I could just take this out without removing this. When you take that out, it's inevitable that the clips will actually fall down, so what I normally like to do is cover up the engine bay, otherwise you will lose the clips. And you'll need your plastic tools again, and you'll need a container of some sort to organize everything. So just cover up the engine bay like I showed you, and now we'll move on to taking off this. See that in detail, I've done that on a version 12. You can watch that video, link will be down in the description below. Now that we've removed that, got a couple of bolts over here. We'll just take that off. So all over here is the hood scoop over here. This part is the plastic bit that scoops in the air into the intercooler. Definitely need some clips because it's missing quite a few. So we'll just take this front part off here, and then we'll take off the bolts for the hood scoop. As you can see, they're a bit rusty, so I'll spray them down with some lubricant. And they're just the 8mm socket that's required. Be prepared for clips that will break, even though you save them. The newer designs on the later model cars are a little bit better. These earlier ones, the clips are not the best, so you will need some sort of replacement. Just keep that in mind as well. Never use impact tools to open it. I opened all of those bolts by hand, then I just used the electric drill just to wind it out. So now that that's all done, it's just this final plastic white clip over here that you just have to push. There's two here, one there and one there. Push that in like so, and one more at the top here. Push both of them in like so. Just from the top here. Just slides out like so. That's how it comes out. So that's how you take out your hood scoop on the WRX STI. So just in case anyone needed to see, this is what it looks like from the bottom. Your part number is over there. So it's literally just held in by these bolts and these two clips over here. So you might be wondering, if it's just held in by those clips, why I took out the rest. That was just to show you how to remove that. And also, I need to address this whole thing is a bit loose. I just need to check everything in here. So just to reiterate, you don't have to pull out your insulation just to get to the hood scoop. You just take off those front clips like I just showed you. So take out all the front clips at the bottom there, and at the top remove the nuts, and then it should just come out. So you don't need to take out your insulation. But I need to do some other work, so that's why I've taken it off. Thanks for watching everyone. See you.